Guys, if you don't already know, my audio's cooked currently. My microphone's broken. So I'm speaking through my headset mic like a fucking brokey currently. And so basically, yeah, this is a new Proteus one. It's a brand new account. I forgot to record the other part of this. You can ask my cousin. This isn't like a I'm gonna stop the fucking yapping because someone broke my mic and I'm actually about to crash out. Cause like, bro, this is $100 mic too. I swear to God, if my cat shoot on any sort of this cord, I'm killing it. The cat will die. My cat will fucking die. Because there's no damn way in hell. Come on, bro. I know that I've always called you the shittiest mic on earth, but come on, man. You got something in you, and it's about to be me, too. It gets some sort of power to it, and then it just turns off. Whatever, we're converting right now. I'm gonna have to stop worrying about my mic currently. Just, I'm cooked, bro. There's no way. So, yeah. What are these kids yapping about? Alright, but I'm trying to get Dipper. Guiding Star and Clover! Guiding Star and Clover! Oh, this is a dream come true. Drake's favorite tool. Yeah, I'm fucking done. I swear, bro. Yeah, by the way, my cousin, he was gonna do this with me, but I don't know how that's worth it. He said bro, my mic's cooked. Hopefully it's just like a bug right now or something. I know, bro, but yeah, I'm cooked. Alright, but yeah, back on with the video. Can't let that affect it. Alright, well, so basically, it's a new patrol. I'm trying to at least get Dipper today. I'm not going to be macroing on this account unless I get really bored and just probably go for Scythe. But, you know, that happens. I'm also trying to get 15 bees, so when I can macro, when I do start macroing, I can macro in Pine with my cousin. The reason that would be good is because they actually have the sprinklers down and all that good stuff. You know, right now we're just kind of sitting with this guy. He has his guiding star in his field. That's the only reason I'm here. Other than that, Clover's not worth it really. They're all kind of just boosting, I guess. Or not, yeah, kind of. Just kind of time. We have 2 times follow, 2 times convert rate for the next, like, a day. Or no, 18 hours. So basically until tomorrow. Honey Day was really good. I was very unprepared, but at the same time prepared. Yo, Ethan, I'm not even speaking. Yeah. Okay. But yeah, I'm just kind of talking. But yeah, there's not too much to do. Like realistically, here I'm just sitting. Actually, I probably might just put a fucking auto clicker on and just let it do it for me right now. I mean, that was some decent amount of honey there. It wasn't absolutely insane or something. We might buy another bee real quick. Because we have 1, 2, well, actually, I can just check up this. 10 bees. So, yeah, it's really all. We have 1 gifted, which is a Riley. Absolutely shit. So, actually, I'm going to save my royal jelly, and I'm probably just going to go set my favorite planner and cactus as soon as humanly possible. This is our inventory. It's not stacked at all. Clover, please. It's the only thing I'm wishing right now. Clover. God damn it. Give me Clover, bro. Clover is the only field I really need here. Clover last time. Alright. You know, gamblers quit right before the big win. Come on. Swear, bro. I need to stop doing this. Alright, well. Yeah, I'll see you guys after we convert, because this is going to take 9 hours. Alright, we're back. After the last 2 hours of fucking converting. We have bamboo and sunflower boosted right now. We're not boosted at all. Just kind of, you know. I'm not probably going to go in there. Actually, oh, his guiding star gives me, no, his guiding star isn't good enough, guys. Even though he has Supreme Saturator, I don't care enough because I'm not going in that field with him. But yeah, we're going to go kill King Beetle, but the audio in the other video kind of just gave out, so I ain't doing that today. I'm already excited enough at this point. But, yeah. This is actually a lot better. Yeah, I don't even care about a Supreme Saturator. I don't need it. Ethan, are you gonna fucking join? Alright. Ethan should join on his ult. Yeah. Oh god, he's gonna find my videos. Oh god, he's gonna find them. Ethan, you remember what we hit in them? Ethan, you remember what we said? No. Yeah. Oh, Osama. Except Barack got fuck any Obama. Yeah, you really need to start opening OBS, bro. You need to, if you recorded Ethan, it'd be the funniest videos, bro. Ethan, can I call you in a different call so they can actually hear you? And I don't want Travis being heard because he's not part of the video. Hey Siri. Call. Hey Siri. No, I'm Ethan's already calling. Okay, I gotta take out my AirPods so you can actually. Alright, hold on. There you go. Alright, I'm gonna. There's this over there. He said that sounded kind of mean. Give me at least some attention. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Travis is so emotional here. Bro, my internet! I swear, bro. Can't even record nowadays. Alright, after minor internet connection issues and me kind of crashing out, we're back with the video. We're converting right now. And this is Ethan for you guys. You guys have... Shut up! Shut up, Carter! Shut up! Sure, bro, I was leaking my whole name! That's why I don't trust... Yeah. Actually, we might have to buy boots soon because I'm tired of not even having basic boots. Yo, let me speak! No. Yo, you're not real. Bro. Why is Travis whining about that too, bro? He should not be whining right now, bro. Sun is my cow. I'm so fan of that. Yeah, but sadly I've known Ethan for a few years now. That's sad. We're cousins. I know. We need a few years. Sadly. Why is this? Ethan, I said sadly. No, but alright. I don't care. Alright, now I can buy basic boots. Now I can buy basic boots. That's Ethan right there. A guy on the internet. Yeah, he's a lot better because he actually macros. Yes. Macros for an hour. Yo, you macroed for an hour on a noob account. That could change the whole trajectory. I don't care. You're so skill issue. Alright. Basic boots. Can't even go. Time to start my I don't even have one million. I'm selling Yeah, Ethan's gonna start his recording. First thing then.
Hold on, I gotta freaking set up all this crap.
I sometimes hate OBS because it's so difficultly weird.
I'm gonna go help Mom with the groceries. You can come help too.
I don't have shorts to wear to go down there. Plus I'm recording, dude. Yeah, but basically there isn't too much. Wait, that's my. Yeah, I know. Bro's a bleach side at this point. Bro's even more bleach side than I am on my main.
No, that's a lie, bro. You are so bleached.
I know because it's truly because of the just trajectory. Ray Asian boy is alive. Yeah, I gotta care about Ray Asian boy. Yo, you actually have a good hive setup though. I don't. Look at my hive. It's all red. I'm a full-on red hive at this point, except my demo bee and my brave bee. Or no, stubborn bee.
Oh, yeah. So signal.
We got a stubborn bee. I shouldn't know.
Okay. Today we play games. Yeah. Anyway, okay.
Yeah, at this point, right, yeah.
Alright.
Actually, I need to check the audio, because I forget. This audio, yeah, you guys should have. You guys are going to hear me breathing at this point. You're going to hear every single bit of my voice. Alright. Sorry to all you AirPod users.
Bro, who is texting me?
Travis.
No, it is not Travis. Shut up.
Dude, I swear he's so annoying.
Okay, shut up.
He just private texted me and he said,
What do you mean I need the internet for this? I'm connected to the internet. Say, you get in my way.
I'll feed you to the same.
Bro, can my mic be like any louder, bro? Like, this thing is hard.
You know, probably at the end of this video, I'm probably just gonna go try and kill King Beetle. Feed you to the signal. I'm on my way. Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna start the recording now. Hello. Yes. Today I am playing Beast One Simulator on the Ultimate one. This is basically new to Pro. You know, I realized that my last Beast One video was like 4 years ago. And I had this exact same stuff pretty much.
No, you had porcelain dipper.
I didn't. No, I got videos.
Oh, in your videos, dude.
I went to the stupid red thing on channel. Okay, I have my cousin on call right now. That's cool. Hold on, why don't we
But you guys need to take those.
why don't we pull it up, shall we? Who's texting me right now?
What I'm saying, bro. Alright, Stubborn Bee is level 4.
Let's just pull it up, shall we?
Should I try and gift one of my bees?
Yeah, you should try and get one of your bees.
You know, you shouldn't try to gift bees with only 4 fucking strawberries. I just figured that one out.
Why do you have 4 strawberries?
Yo, that was Tegan. I heard it, bro. Stop messing with the cat. I'm in recording. Dude, she just screamed at you.
Alright, so we shall see. What? This is loaded any slower. Was this? Hold out!
Alright, I'll show you the audio.
Who keeps texting me? I don't know what beast. Where are they?
Please check your internet connection. I'm about to crash.
Unlocked.
Alright, after some more internet connections because we'll grab her app. Alright. More minor internet connections issues.
I would like to show why it's important to make videos in progress. As you saw, all I had was golden raven and red backpack.
Bro hasn't got any better.
Yeah, this is what I have now.
Bro hasn't got any better.
Oh, my mom says my bread isn't a toaster. Love you. Wait.
Okay.
Yeah, it's important. I think I should have made, more videos on this game. It's just so cool. And this is my epic hive video. Epic hive. Stop texting me right now, please. Show me the video. This is my very epic Sigma hive. Stop texting me! This is my very epic Sigma hive. If there's any blue hivers in the comments, please tell me to change.
Yeah, if you can't read what I just put in chat.
Enough of that. Use my Sigma.
Yo, bro just noticed. Oh, that one actually hurts your. Yo.
Alright,
I forget I can't scream like that because it's right by my mic.
The 25 beats zone. I need. Oh gosh. Okay. You know what we're gonna do?
Nothing.
I have smooth dice.
Dude. No more.
Spider.
Wait, hold on. Does this split? Yeah.
And then.
So I can't even mute my mic. Pause the video.
I don't condone doing this, like using smooth dice when you're this early in your game, but I don't care. We're gonna do it anyway.
Yo. Smooth dice is absolutely. Ooh. Why did I just call like that? Oh yeah, I got an Inspire token. Let's go. It's actually fire. If you don't know what Inspire tokens do, Inspire tokens give you 2 times falling for like around 10 seconds, if not less. Yo, I'm trying to. Yo. Basically, they just give you that. It's every gifted bee will drop one at some point. It's like 1 minute. They have a 10% chance to either drop their haste tokens in that, or it can, or they'll drop, Inspire tokens. Inspire tokens are really good because they do actually help a lot. I'm so Phantom Tax and Strawberry Cadet badge. Ooh. Oh, I have Honey badge. I made my first $1 million. You know, it's a lot because I make like 2 million a day. Yeah, nah.
Please give me speed, bro. No, Carter, you better not. You better not break my eardrum with that noise.
With what?
Yeah.
With all the badges?
With the badge plays, it's good.
Yes, I'm about to collect like so many.
No, it's okay. I'm got another badge, bro.
I don't, yo, you should turn your music off. You'll get copyrighted. The music, I had my Block Suits music on, and I actually like got copyrighted on that video. So weird, man.
I forgot to music on. I'll film all my cast videos that I'm getting copyrighted. Riddle me that.
Like 9.
I always have music. I like the peaceful music. It's nice.
Yeah, bro's gonna. Oh, Ethan, turn your music all the way up real quick.
No.
Yeah.
Give me speed!
Alright, well, let's get my unpaid workers to start. I meant my bees. They are very well paid.
Yeah. Honestly, I don't really need to save right.
You know, if your name is on it and you created the game Bee Swarm Simulator, I hope you fucking die at this point, dude. That's just a little prank. It's a joke. I know. I love you on it. I love you so much. On it, actually, you made the best game in history. I wanted on here. It's actually pretty good.
What happened to these ones that, Carter?
Ethan, that was a joke!
Yeah.
Yeah, that was also like a while ago. That was before I started playing again.
I don't care. Bro, can I get one speed token? Hello?
No, I hope you never get a speed token.
Hello? Please give me a speed token? It's gonna keep gathering.
You know, wait, take 1 E out of speed and you actually have that.
That's the first time I bought that version.
Yeah.
Really trash. Alright, time to buy gold egg. Or no, I could like some silver eggs, and that would be better because I need to get 25 of those.
Actually, yeah, I do need to start buying silver eggs. I forgot about that.
Silver egg, no,
Here's one thing that you should never do in Beast Sworn, but this is kind of like a... This is a count that I'll never play on, like actually after I get Porcelain Dipper probably. Do never spend more tickets on like... Yeah, I'm just trying to actually say something that I messed up on and I wasted hundreds of tickets and I never even got a tabby booster. Yo, stop real quick. Hold on, actually. Do not spend money on like golden eggs and that. Also, do not spend money on... Never spend money on Honey Bolt. Ethan did that one time when he was very new. Yeah, he didn't even have like, he didn't have a million total. He did that. He did that when he was a very low level and he messed up on that. He also bought. He bought also all the mythic eggs then, which is like $60, if not more.
I think you're just mad, Carter.
I'm not mad, sadly. It's $45 fucking dollars. Ethan, what?
Actually, it was
Yeah, that. Yeah. No, it's not. It's not 50.
Yay! Look at the day.
Yo, I remember when Robux was actually like cheap, and it was so much fun.
Alright, now I need 2 warnings. I need both of it.
If your name's on it, consider something else.
I discovered.
On it, you actually sometimes make me mad though.
I discovered all wonders.
There's no way you made Spirit review this.
I need a music beat, a demon beat, or a shiny, please. Do you have anyone else?
Wait, hold on. I can't be demonetized. You want to know why I'm not even monetized yet?
Well, you get the point. Not demonetized.
I'll get. Yeah, my video will get taken down. My video will get taken down.
I don't know what you're having about Carter. You know this.
Nah.
What is another way I can get an egg for like free?
Oh, Black bear, and brown bear.
Oh, I already got the stupid silver. Only 6,000 followers. That's gonna take like 2 seconds. Free. I might just speedrun this.
Quest.
I think it's gonna get. It's gonna give me a gold egg and like 8 quests.
What's free?
I'm just gonna speedrun Black Bear quests.
25 treat tokens, 10 50 treats, obtain 25 shots. Dude, this is gonna take forever. Ever, I say. 5,000 points rake. What is the rake?
You know what the rake is? Well,
Here it is.
Not the rake, like the tool.
Yeah, I mean, you're kind of right here. Well, I do know what rake is. I thought it meant like something else though. Okay, I'm gonna collect 5,000 pollen with rake to build Mother Bear's gingerbread house, which is not what I need.
Yo, shut up with your beard mask, bro.
I swear, bro. Come on. Alright, I need 15 bees. I have 11 bees, I think. No, I only have 10. So.
Bro, why are these quests so mean?
Oh, wait, how much do I get? I think I have a high red boost, right?
Shut up, I don't care about it. The bee level. I don't even like my bee.
Okay, I have red field capacity.
I don't even have a 2.
Ooh, wait, go mushroom. Honestly, there's a guy with a Supreme Saturator.
I don't want to go mushroom.
There's a guy with Supreme Saturator, bro.
I don't care.
Wait, do I have a glitter? Hold on, I might.
Supreme Saturator too.
Yeah, on your main.
Yeah, my main, that's what I said. 10,000 white pollen. Easy, you can have spider ghosts.
Ooh, I got surprise balloons. Wait, hold on. This is good because you get a balloon blessing.
Easy technique, follow easy. I don't see very easy. I want a gold egg.
Guys, if this video gets 10K views, I will show you my feet.
Yeah.
Ethan's gonna boost.
Guys, get this in 10K views, please.
One thing about Ethan, he has so many pictures of my feet because we were on FaceTime one time, and I had my camera. Yeah, bro. He's good.
Wait, I know pineapple could do that. I know the pineapple do sparkles. I never knew that.
Yeah, pineapple could give spark. I did not know that.
So stupid.
No shit, Sherlock.
No, nobody knew that it was dumb.
I need one more bees
How
in
is
this
the
one.
recording already going for 14 minutes? I've barely done it.
I've been recording for like 20 then. Yeah, 26.
Wow.
Holy. This video is going to be like a 40-minute long video, guys.
One more request.
This is going to be a multi-part series at this point. And you're going to have horrible audio for the next like 3 months probably until I get a new mic. Dude, but I'm so sad.
Did your sister break it?
Yes, bro. And the thing is too is she won't even put it on my mom's life, so it's like it's actually so terrible. Cause she always if she's in line she'll actually put it on my mom's life, but
You mean he's freaking? I don't want to do that.
oh come on!
I don't want to do that for us, honestly.
1025 shutters.
Oh, wait, this is going to be easy for this guy. Yeah, look at that. Easiest place ever.
I hate Mother Bear, bro. At one point, you have to give her 100,000 treats, bro.
You hate Mother Berries?
Yes.
Why?
Yo, because she makes you do the most random ass quest about treats in that.
Yeah, that's fair.
I'm like trying to save up my things for oil to like craft oil, and it's like, yo, feed like 2 million of those just to your bees. Real quick. And then you'll get like,
why is the parachute so undoubted?
I know. Do you remember when you guys kept arguing with me to buy parachute first? And not buy like golden rake or something. You know, that at that time I was such a brokey. Yo, honestly, you can macro your way up to like mid game pretty easy. I mean, you have to do some minor
I'm
boost.
speeding. I had 8 quests to do. I can only got 1 more. Yeah, this is the last quest. That's not true at all. That's a scam.
30 minutes and we barely got any.
Let me jump.
Come on.
Stupid graphic. No, it's hiking. Stupid hiking.
Yo, we have 967 in my balloon. Yay! Oh, by the way, I think I have like other balloons. How much do I have in my? Oh, I don't have any balloons. I have to claim the codes. There actually is a code in the test room, by the way. I'm not telling you it, but there is one that you can get like 30 balloons.
You don't have the test room, stupid. I want your account with the paid version.
Ah, no, but I do actually know one.
I got the test room.
Yo, Les told me to.
No, we didn't.
Yes, he did. All my life. All my life. All my life.
All your life? Alright. Well, he's not funny. And that's why
He said, what if we send this to Ethan? He said, what if we send this in the group chat and they all giggle at it because I actually think we have it.
It's 3 fire bees, bro. I actually need it.
I have one fire bee, one stun. Actually, I can just check in the bees tag form. One rad bee, one rascal bee, one fire bee. Ethan, we really need to start gambling.
No.
Ethan, all of this honey. Ethan.
You're not really gambling, bro.
Ethan, the minute I get pine tree, Ethan, the minute I can get up there. Ethan.
No.
A million's going straight to.
Don't the pine tree. So much fun, a robo party! That would have been perfect when I was doing my boost the other day.
Wait, how do you get robo? Wait, what are robo parties, by the way? What do they do? And where is this one?
It's robo bear.
What can I? What do I achieve for this, by the way? Okay. Now we can buy soon scissors. The next thing we buy. Ooh. Ethan, I should not gamble 25,000 on memory match. Oh.
You're probably not gambling 20,000 on memory match.
One roll of jelly, one roll of jelly.
Shut up.
No. Alright. That was on my. That was bad on my end. That was bad on my end there. I really need to start joining the clubs on these accounts because it's actually kind of getting annoying not to. Obtain 50 treats to give to Mother Bear. Obtain 25 strawberries. Yeah, I just need to go into that.
Bro, my headphone cord is like going down my back and it's like so annoying.
I'm about to put something on your back too, buddy. Hello there.
Okay.
Yeah, I know, right? You kind of giggled at it.
Look at this robo party out of here, bro. I'm trying to get that buffs.
Where is Robo Party? I want to go do the Robo Party.
Yeah, you're not good enough.
I am. Ethan,
No.
they didn't believe in me. But guess who did?
Yeah, they shouldn't.
I did. Ooh. I don't know, bro. I'm fucking sleep deprived and my internet just went out. Yeah, this is the outro for the video. Meow for them, kitty. Meow for them. Make a noise for the outro. Come on.
Make a noise for the outro.
She didn't do shit. I swear to God. This cat's so mentally retarded, I swear. I hate this.
Just like you.
Yo, you're not real.
I know I'm not.
The cat's mad at me for holding it. But alright, guys, bye.